Well, this is what remains of an Islamic center that was once used by members of the Muslim community to host things like cultural events and after-school activities for children. Now it's pretty much charred, as you can see, all the way through. Police say that thankfully no one was hurt in the events that unfolded early Wednesday morning. I spoke to one resident who said that as he was leaving for early morning prayers at around 3 a.m., he saw smoke billowing into the morning sky. Police say that they later found the letters EDL sprayed onto the side of the center. EDL is a well-known acronym here in the UK for the English Defence League, which is a far-right movement. And there's a real worry among members of this community that this could have been a reprisal for the Woolwich terror attack. Are you worried that this was an anti-Muslim attack?
Yes, I think so, yes. 99% yes. I would say yes.
Why?
Because of what happened in Woolwich, that silly things happen, unhuman, so this is a revenge. So, but what my worry is that somebody else makes a mistake, why should other people suffer? So we suffer.
A spokesperson for Tell Mama, which is a public service which measures anti-Muslim sentiment here in the UK, told us that she's noticed an uptick in the number of incidents since the Woolwich terror attack. Things like hate speech online and street attacks against Muslims. And the Muslims in this North London community tell me quite simply they are afraid. Police are urging people to remain calm as they assess how and why this fire happened. Erin McLaughlin, CNN, London.